Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image for a long time ago and I made this image last week with original image, and also I made some smudged image, some play around with this Procreate. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you about this image first, then I'm gonna start from. Well, I used the original image, which is this shot, and also I used this shot. This is a pencil drawing type made by Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges. Then I combined these two images to get this image. This is the last week I made. But I also, same time, I made different image like this. I changed pencil drawing type. This pencil drawing, and I'm turn on original image, just change the blend mode normal to luminosity 70%. Then I made 4 times darker image is this one. Now, today though, I want to use this image to make something different, illustration type of image this time. Okay, let me see. I'm going to turn this color burn image off. I only use this image, which is pretty interesting. This is normal image. Now I have smudged image here. Well, let me change this luminosity 100 max image. I just tone down 70% and we see the normal image underneath. Well, normal, actually this is a normal image. This is smudged image I made last time. Now I can just change this normal to screen color dodge. This is pretty interesting too as an illustration. Yeah, this is really impressive. Color dodge and add overlay. This one looks like the image I made last week. So now this time, vivid, linear light. Yeah, this one is nice too. Pin light. Well, this is too harsh, hard mix. Look at this. Background is pretty cool. Color's nice too. Overlay is pretty good, but I used the last time, so I wanna go like this kind of light image this time. Yeah, color dodge is pretty impressive. Okay, I'm not gonna use color burn 70 I used last time, so I'm gonna delete this. Then change name. This is original image, so I'm gonna rename original. This is original image. This one is smudged image I made last time. Okay, smudged image. Then this is pencil drawing type. Yeah, it's same of this. I guess I used the last time on this, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, this is all. I'm gonna main image. Well, change rename. Just image, just image for today. Then this one is pencil drawing type image, so I'm gonna rename pencil. Okay, now it's clear. Original image, smudged image. Then this is pencil type image. Now we get this image. Now how I'm gonna use this one, right? This time. Okay, I'm gonna just change this normal to lighter color. Show up on smudged image. Now it's like that. Now I'm using the smudged image and also lighter color, which is lighten, same thing. So I'm gonna make it lighten max to show up this way. Now I just want to see color dodge max. I have smudged, and this image, main image, change the blend mode to color dodge, right? Pretty impressive color dodge. Now I want to make this image, okay? Select these two, then make a group. Now I'm going to duplicate this group. Then I'm going to flatten this group. Okay. Base is smudged image. I just flatten this group, just one image, and I'm going to change this layer. I'm going to turn this off. I only see this image now. Rename smudged image plus color dodge max. Okay, done. Okay, this image is smudged image plus color dodge 100. This one. Okay, I'm going to change this blend mode. Normal, lighten, screen, add. Kind of interesting. Add, overlay. Okay, well, overlay max. Well. Hard light, vivid, kind of harsh. Overlay. Well, let me forget about this now. Only this one is color dodge 100, right? Okay, I'm gonna go back to color dodge, bring this smudged image. Oh well, break this group. So I'm gonna go this one up to smudged image, then delete this group. Now forget about this image, same image, two of them. Now only for this without smudge, only change this one to overlay. Is it make it same thing on this? I think so. Just different is if I make it twice. That's kind of interesting, That's kind of harsh. I'm gonna take this one off. Now see only overlay. Turn this one off. How about vivid? Shows differently. Kind of rough. Okay, once again, gotta check. This is smudged image. Now this one is luminosity 100 image 4 times. Okay, now from here, color dodge, which I made here. Now I'm gonna bring this pencil image up, then turn on, change, goes a little bit, soften up. Okay, this is smudged image over this, well, this image, right? Okay, go bring this one back to here. Then let me see this. Okay, how about turn on, change this. Wow, so much contrasty. Just a touch tone down, Illustrations are right, but well, it's kind of interesting about this gradation of the red color, but that's all. Overlays alright, some. How about if I see overlay on this, then add this layer, change blend mode. Smudged image, tone down 70%. Well, what do you think? That's interesting. Well, combination of something interesting image. I think I found, well, I guess this sort of, what do you call it, this kind of image. posterized or just illustration type of image. Need to clean up somehow on some of them. After I fix this image, take the dust off and stuff. But as a result, this is pretty interesting illustration image. That's so complicated. Pencil drawing type image overlay, only 50%. Then this smudged image combined to color dodge 100% image made this image is max density, opacity and image, which is this luminosity 70% 4 times. This image changed overlay 75%. Then smudged the image, base image, opacity 70%. That's different opacity, different blend mode combined together to get this kind of image. Well, that's so complicated, but when you see this image, just that's a way to find out to something you like it. Well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.